Hi, it's Ramesha here with Vocal Bliss. Today we're going to talk about how to stabilize your voice. But before we launch into this, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you won't miss any of the videos I put out in the future. Too many singers attempt to develop their higher range without having a really strong foundation in their lower range. But your chest voice, your lower range, is really the foundation of the edifice, let's say, of your whole vocal technique. And if it's weak and not quite as reliable, the rest of your voice also will not be very strong and reliable. So it's very important to develop good, strong, low range and then attempt to go up and develop the rest of your range. So as you move up into your upper range and into your head voice, the voice, generally speaking, will tend to get weaker and breathier in the beginning. That's just part of the training, so it's just something to almost be expected. So if your lower range is already not very strong, by the time you reach those higher notes, there will be almost no sound left. It will be more breath than sound. On the other hand, if you build a strong foundation in your lower range and your lower notes are stronger, then when you go into the higher range, your higher notes will also tend to stay strong and full, just like the lower ones. And this is why it's important to work this way, to have a strong foundation first and then go up and bring that same fullness of tone into your head voice, into your higher range. So let's make sure that your lower range is strong and full. And we're going to do this with a very simple exercise that I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to start here. We're going to enunciate the vowel E. We're going to start with E twice. And then we're going to go up 3 notes like this. E, E, E. We're going to do this just with the vowel E for now, because E is, of all the vowels, is the one that helps you to be really pointed with your placement and make it really, really full and crisp. Okay? Once you feel that you can do this easily with E, then I suggest you do the other vowels as well, trying to place your tone in exactly the same way as your E. Okay? So here we go. We're going to do together E, 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 E. Make sure to pronounce your E really clearly. E, 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 and now we're going back. E, 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 Okay, very good. You can do this a few times. Even you can repeat it 2 or 3 times in a row. And I suggest you repeat it at least once every day, because that will build, in a relatively short amount of time actually, it will build strength and fullness of the tone in your chest voice. What we're looking for is a sound that has no breath in it. It's just pure sound. So it's not E, but E, full sound. Okay, so look for that. If you don't know if you're doing it right, record yourself, because a recording will tell you if your sound is full and strong or not. If you're still hearing some breath with the sound, it means you haven't achieved that goal yet. So continue practicing. It's a very simple exercise, but it will help you a lot. And like I said, after doing it with E for a while and feeling like you're able to do it with the full voice, then try to do it also with the other vowels and try to be full in the same way. Strengthening your chest voice before you start developing your head voice and you really focus on developing your high notes will save you from a lot of frustration later on. So I really highly recommend it. Don't be impatient to go into your high notes, but work on building solid foundations for your vocal technique, and then everything else will become easier and more satisfying. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please consider giving a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.